Welcome to Peopletrail's Actionable Insight Screening demonstration. We'll be taking you through various sections and features of the product and how it can assist you in your hiring needs. This is the Actionable Insight Screening login screen. This is where you will log in to manage your account, order your background screening services, and access your background screening results. Let's go now to the login. We'll put in your username and the password and log you into the system. This is the welcome page, and the very first thing that you're going to see is a welcome that's logged in and displayed under your credentials. There will be some user announcements here for you, which, if there were some unexpected court delays or news like that, they'd be posted here. You can also scroll down through the news posts and see the different court closures or any issues that might affect the cases that Peopletrail is working on for you. Looking at the top here, we see the menu bar with the Home, Order, Reports, and Utility tabs. You're mostly going to be focusing your activity in the Order and Report sections. At the top right, with your username, there's a pull-down menu where you can manage your personal profile and preferences. There's also a Help Resource section, which is really nice. It can direct you to a document library where we have information on credit authorizations, MBR releases, standard authorizations, and things like that. The field across the top is the main search feature. This is where you can search for all the activity or the reports that you have in your account. You can either search by client name, client code, file number, reference number, last name, social security number, or the last 4 digits of the social security number. So there are a lot of different options to define your search. At the My Profile drop-down tab, you will access your profile details. The first tab in managing your profile is your personal contact information, like your cell phone number, your title, your name, an email address. Those are all found here. Within the Preference tab, there are options to help you define the default fields for other areas of the system and customize it specifically to you. Let's go ahead and walk through a quick example of that. This area right here is where you would set those preferences. You'll notice that a simple search default is set to the last name. But say you prefer to enter them in by the last 4 digits of their social security number. You can actually change that here. Go down and select it and save it, and then the default on all the pages of the search function is going to default to the last 4 of the social security number. As you can see, it is updated at the top here. Also in the Preferences tab, there are some other customizable options. When you pull up reports, you can set the page length if you want to be 15, or you can go all the way up to 200. Default report details and notes defaults in the results screen to open, or you can select it to display to the closed files. These other tabs help you manage the security and access to your profile. At Peopletrail, we are always working to improve the system and value all feedback that our customers provide. In the Features tab, you can choose to see and influence enhanced development within AIS. By increasing the feature tolerance to either beta or alpha, you gain access to upcoming features before they are fully developed and stable, and have the opportunity to provide feedback. If you'd prefer not to be involved in the testing, you simply leave the tolerance on general availability. Within this section, you can also manage the password access security and password recovery of your account. Now that you have an understanding of how to manage your profile and preferences, we'd like to spend most of the time talking about the order and the retrieval of the background screening. So let's go there now.